Hello Tech Explorers! Today, we're excited to guide you through a tutorial on how to display both text and numbers on the LED panel of our Maker board. Let's explore this fun and interactive feature together. First, connect the Maker board to a computer or a laptop. Open a browser and go to ams.avishcar.cc. Next, click on Hardware and select the Maker Board 2.0. Once done, we can begin programming the Maker Board. First, let's start by adding a My Program block to initialize our program. Then, include an infinite loop so that our text or numbers will continuously display. Let's begin by programming the Maker Board to show a character. Insert the Show Character block and type in the character you want to display. We can also select the color of the character and set the brightness of the LED ranging from 0 to 100. After that, add a delay block to determine how long the character will be displayed. For now, we will keep it at 1 second. Now, include 2 more show character blocks and assign different characters, setting each to display for 1 second. Let's give it a try. Now, let's try displaying numbers. First, remove the blocks used for displaying characters. Then, add the show number block and enter the number you want to display. We can also choose the color of the number and adjust the brightness of the LEDs. Next, include a delay block to specify how long the number will be shown, which we'll set for 1 second. After that, add 2 more show number blocks with different numbers, each set to display for 1 second as well. Let's give it a try too.